Now the question is, are you the river or the rock? The river falls in line with the call of destiny. It is aware that its destination is the ocean. And any rock or boulder that comes in the way, it either goes around it, it goes over it, it goes under it, even through it. But it will reach the ocean. There is no river in the world that does not reach the ocean. Whereas the rock resists, views the river as an obstruction, as an enemy. And we all know what happens to the rock. It gets beaten down to sand, gets pulverized to sand. Now the question is, are you the river or the rock? Are you welcoming change? Are you aware of your destination in life, the purpose for which you were born, what you want to achieve during your lifetime? And you welcome change as a means to the end. Or you're constantly resisting change. Like, the plastic ban in Maharashtra. I don't know whether it is still on or not. It keeps going on, off, on, off. If you were to understand what plastic has done to the oceans, to the land masses, to species around the world, you would welcome it. In fact, there are some of us who even before the plastic ban stopped using plastic. These are visionaries. And then there are the others who out of ignorance resist it. And therefore there was this very draconian punishment, fine, on all those who carried plastic. Almost 20 years back in Ooty, a lady collector had that vision and banned plastic in Ooty. And what a difference it made to that hill station.